Hi. Today we're going to focus on my Sonia. I'm going to show you how I co-wash. So this is my day 4 hair. I just rinsed it with water, and I'm going to show you how I co-wash. We're going to be focusing on this brand called My Sonia. I'm not sure if you've heard about them or not, but I've been using them since November. So it's been almost 4-5 months that I'm using them, and I this is my second dabba. And I love their cream and I love their gel, and this is their towel. This is this is their towel. It covers my whole body. It's a microfiber towel by My Sonia. You see? And I'm actually grateful for the towel too, because I have like super sensitive skin. Okay, so like my skin gets dry and rough. I can't, my skin just can't. So instead of using the normal towels for body, I use a My Sonia towel for body. So anyway, let's get to it. It's going to be a quick video because I'm using their co-wash. It's the My Sonia hair cleanser. Okay, and this co-wash is a clarifying co-wash. It's got turmeric, it's got apple cider vinegar, what? And then it's got aloe juice. Okay, so these are great ingredients to clarify your hair. So clarifying is different from cleansing. Okay, so cleansing is like how you would probably sweep your house daily. In India we do that. We sweep our house daily, right? That's an analogy for cleansing. But clarifying would be like how you deep clean your house. Like once a month you call people and they come with their machines and they deep clean their house. So that's the analogy for clarifying. If you are like me, if you use products like me, you need a thorough clarifying often. So if you're looking for a protein-free clarifying co-wash, then this is it. It's called a co-wash because it's a conditioner that cleanses your hair. Okay, so it'll not lather like a shampoo would, but it'll also not dry out your hair like a shampoo would. It would actually be a very balanced cleanser. Well, you'll just know after you see me use it and after you see how my hair looks after I use it, right? So let's get to it. So you'll see this little sticker. The sticker is made with love by Jackie. Jackie is the owner of My Sonia. This is a small business, and if you followed me a long time, you'll know that I prefer to support only small businesses, especially those run by women, and this is one of them. It's a woman run business. Her name is Jackie. So if you take out this, you'll see that this part is a little more yellower than the other parts. Okay, like over here it's all white, can you see it? And here it's yellow. That's because it's got turmeric in it. Okay, so even the consistency is a little beady, so the turmeric kind of settles down. So when you use it, make sure you like mix it up and then you use it. Okay, so because it doesn't have any artificial fragrance, it smells like peppermint and turmeric. Okay, so it'll smell a little Ayurvedic, if you know what I mean. It'll not have the floral fragrance scented. It's not like that. It's just very real, very raw. And yeah, so peppermint oil is really nice, and it's got that. It stimulates your scalp. So let's get it. So I'm just going to arrange everything because my hair is like dripping wet. Okay, this is my hair. I just rinsed it with water, but before I did that, I detangled my hair before I got into my wash. I detangled, and I also pre-pooed. I put a little bit of oil because I always do that. I have an article on pre-poo. If you don't know what a pre-poo is, I'll link that article so you'll see. But basically, this is my hair just rinsed. This is my day 4 hair, rinsed with water. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a little bit more water in my hair. Okay, so now it's like nice and soaking, dripping wet, right? So what I do is I start with my scalp first. So I use a wooden spoon. I used to put my hands in, but this is just more hygienic. So what you do is you mix it first, okay, because you want like all the ingredients. It's so creamy. Just mix it up so you get that turmeric and everything. Turmeric, by the way, is antifungal, antiseptic. So if you have like major scalp issues like psoriasis, I'm not a doctor, okay, this is not a consultation, but I have friends, girlfriends on IG who've used this on their very, very delicate, sensitive scalps, and they've seen results using this. Like nothing else worked for them, but this worked for them. So if you have scalp issues like dandruff, psoriasis, and other things, make sure you use products like this, which have no sulfates, no parabens, no drying alcohols, no baddies whatsoever. In fact, it has ACV, and it has turmeric, and it has aloe vera, and it has peppermint oil, things that your scalp can thrive with. Okay. So I'm gonna take a generous amount because I don't want to be dipping like a lot. So what I do is I first go focus on my scalp, but look at the consistency. This is the consistency. It's very thick, okay? And obviously this will be better in the shower, but this is, Okay, so I'm gonna take some more. Only because my hair is kind of damp, okay? Because when hair is wet, you don't need to take so much. And then I'll just, can you see this? There's a beady consistency, okay? That's because of the turmeric that's inside. I'll just put it on my hair, and then I will use the flexi brush to distribute the co-wash all over my hair, okay? So this way I don't have to take more product. I just have to work with what's already in. And these bristles, they're really they're very good to stimulate your scalp. So make sure if you have it, use it when you co-wash, when you shampoo, so it stimulates your scalp. Look at what the brush does. It's brilliant. Okay, so now that I have the co-wash in my hair and the co-wash is on my scalp, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just keep it in my hair for like 5 minutes. This is not so glamorous as I thought it will be. It's not very glamorous in real life, but yeah. So keep this for like just 5 minutes, only 5 minutes. Don't keep it for a long time because this has apple cider vinegar, okay, ACV. Those of you who do ACV rinses, do you know, like, it's, if you don't know, please look it up. It's like, apple cider vinegar is so good for your hair and for your scalp. I mean, it's got like medicinal properties, but also it makes your hair shine. So if you were wondering what all that shine was in my hair was about, it was the apple cider vinegar from this. So the turmeric is going to be an antiseptic, antifungal. ACV will add shine. Peppermint will stimulate my scalp. Aloe vera gel that's inside this will make my hair soft. So because of all those reasons, I don't have to use a conditioner after I wash this out. I mean, you can if you want to, but I'm just saying I won't, because it's a very it's very good by itself. Okay, and if you ask me how often you can do it, I would probably just stick it once in 4 days, once in 5 days. Not very often, because it has those crazy ingredients like apple cider vinegar. You don't want to put apple cider vinegar in your hair every 2 days. No. I need to go and wash my hair, okay, because this, you can't keep this more than 5 minutes. So I'm gonna go and wash, and you know what, I'm gonna show you my hair, how it looks just with this. Okay, so I'm gonna go, and you stay tuned. I will show you my results. Thank you for watching. Bye.